everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. Today's video I'm going to work on this sideboard, buffet, dresser, I don't know what it is, and I'm going to give a new look. To start, I want to thank you, Steve, for buying me 4 coffees, and thank you for telling me my Amazon wishlist not working. If someone are interested in buying something from my Amazon wishlist now works, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And now let's go to start and see how I have an idea for this beautiful boy. I bought this sideboard buffet dresser on a Facebook marketplace. Need you cleaning, but not in bad shape. The drawers work so smooth. Have some scratch, but nothing crazy. I'm going just another scratch and have scratch on the top. Looks like it's a solid wood. The bottom is in good condition. I'm going to just paint and give some modern look. Let's go. First remove the hardware to do a good cleaning. For this project, I'm going to use Behr shark paint in a color Dynasty. It's like this green sage color called Dynasty. my trim glue dry overnight, it's time to protect my piece. I'm going to use Polythane in a matte finish and I will apply with my spray gun. Let's go do it! Now just the final touch. I got this hardware on Amazon a while ago and I think on this buffet goes match very well. Let's see how this works. Wow, I can say wow. I'm in love how this dresser sideboard buffet turns out. I'm in love. The first time I used this color called Dynasty, I love so much this color. I love this hardware with the can. It's the first time I used the can, rotten can, but I'm in love how this turns out. I really love. Now it's so smooth. Cleaning. So modern. I really love. Thank you for watching my video. Just I give you a sneak peek for next week. This cardboard, just a sneak peek. And don't miss next week the video. I'm do something different I never did before. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy the contents like this, please like, share and subscribe. See you on next one. Bye.